Hey guys, it's Karl with a K here at Long Lewis and Hoover, and I want to share a little feature with you on the F-150 Tremor. These are called upfitter switches up here in the headliner, right behind the sunglass holder. Upfitter switches. So these are basically auxiliary switches that you can hook into, say, light bar, a winch, anything that you would need power for. The hookups are in the front, underneath the bumper, up into the hood compartment, engine compartment. You have plug-ins, and you have up to 6 auxiliary switches. Think of it as a light switch. I need to turn on my lights. I have a light bar up there to see out there in the woods. I'm out camping. I've got a winch. I need to get my winch turned on, give it power so I can use my winch out there for anything I need it for. So really cool feature. This upfitter switches are available on the Tremor and also on the Raptor F-150s. So it's a really cool feature. I want to share that with you. And remember guys, if you're in the market for a new truck or car, come see Karl with a K at Long Lewis, and I'll be glad to help you out and save you some money. Remember guys, come get your keys for Karl at Long Lewis. Have a great day.